Go. Go. Perfect. Hey, Dad, I got your present.
Oh,
Merry
thank
Christmas.
you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Can I open now?
Yeah.
All right. I'm excited. Oh, I'm just wondering what you're going to do for Christmas. Oh, I'm so excited and I love the wrapping. It looks like a little candy. Ooh, it must be a candy. Let's see. Let's go check it out. Let's check it out. I guess we're just gonna. Oh, look what it's up here. Oh, he knows what I need. Oh, yes. We got a new fryer. It's Kitchen Kettle. And by Presto. Look at this. Oh, I'm so excited. It's a 120 volts and 1,200 watts. Household only, a deep fry up to 6 servings of French fries. Oh, cool. And now we can cook our lechon kawali over here. Oh, I'm so excited. Let's go check it out. Let's go check it out. All right, let's go check it out. Oh, okay. This is how we're gonna pull it out. All right. It's nice, packaged really well. Oh, there's the lid. So it comes with a lid, and it looks really nice. And this one has a really good grip. So it's really, really nice. Okay, let's put that one inside. Oh, so it looks like we have to assemble it. So we have the knob that goes to the side, and then this one here is the electricity. So we have to assemble this one then. Cool. All right, this one will just come out. So this one, okay, this one will goes on the side, and this two looks like ears. Look at that. That goes, I think, on the side. So we're gonna fix that one in a minute. So let's see. Oh, look at this too. Inside, it has the oh wow, look at this. Isn't that so cool? Inside has, you can put the French fries or anything that you are cooking in here and just dip it in, and then you just take it out when you're done, when it's cooked. And that's so cool. Look at that. Inside. So that one comes with it. Okay. And we have some instructions on how to use this. Oh wow. Okay. All right, so we are gonna take this one out. Oh, look at this. Look at the inside. And that little thing will go over here on the side. And then this here is going inside here. So I'm gonna. So what we have here is we have the two handles, and this here are the legs, and then this is our electricity, and then this is comes with lid, and then here you go, the deep fryer. So if you see over here, if you can see, there is a screw. So we're gonna unscrew this because it comes with the other one too. So first we are going to unscrew. So you just have to lift it. Put it upside down, and then you just get your Phillips screwdriver, and then you just unscrew it. So I have my two screws over here, and I'm ready to put the handle now. So we're gonna put that one. See those two? Just slide it, and I guess we have to flip it back. Alright, and then we just have to put our screw and screw it over here. So the next step is we're going to unscrew this, and we're going to put our leg. Okay, so unscrew this one. Okay, so I'll be right back as soon as this one is all screwed out. So I already have all the screws unscrewed. Now we're ready to put our leg. So this leg will go like this. It will just go slide from here. See that one over here? See that hole? So that one, it will just go straight there. And then one of your screws, just go right here. And that will screw back so that your deep fryer will have a leg. So make sure that it's all that tight, and then we're just going to turn. Alright, on this last one, we're just going to put that one. Got your 4 legs. Alright, so we're just gonna flip it, but of course you have to get that warning sign. It says, warning, to reduce risk of fire, assemble the leg before using, see instructions. So but we already put the leg, so we're just gonna take this one out. Then here you go. This one here is your controller. It actually goes to 400 degrees, if you can see, and it's off. So over here on the side, you see that little big hole in the middle, if you can see. This one just goes slide right in. Just push it in. Make sure that it's tight. Okay, see that one is tight. And then when you're ready to cook, this one over here, these two over here, you see that these are magnetic. So this one will just go straight over here. Actually, this way. Why is this not gonna fit? What? Maybe this way. Ah, there you go. So this way, actually, guys. So see that little indentation? This one doesn't have, and this one has that little indentation over here. So that's actually the right side. So you just have to push that one over here. And it's designed to be magnetic so that if it caught on fire, it will be just easy to unplug it. So it will be just pulled. Okay. All right, here we go. We have our brand new deep fryer. Now we can start cooking our lechon kawali. All right. Thank you guys for watching. This Christmas time, my family really spoiled me and with a lot of gifts like the kitchenware. I love it. I love it. I love every single one of it. I love Kian wrapping that present. It was so cool. He's very innovative. And he did such a great job. I love it. So I love my presents. And as guys, Merry Christmas to one of you. And I hope the blessing of Christmas is be upon you this holiday. And thank you so much for watching Fun Cooking with Knox. And as always, I love you and God bless you. And also don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed this channel, and also hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified for my latest video. Thank you so much guys. Merry Christmas. I love you all.